Okay, just got back from picking up another load of manure on a trailer, getting ready to dump it. So, let's get going. Okay, there's a load of manure. When you dump it, the dump goes up in the air like that. And then you have to pull your truck forward. And when you pull your truck forward, then all that comes on down. So let me get to it. Okay, let me go ahead and pull my truck up and unload it. Okay, so everything's out. I'm going to lower the trailer. Okay, so using the remote control, down goes the trailer. Okay, so I dumped that out. So now, using the remote control, going to go ahead and lower the trailer. That's my horse manure. That's the trailer. Now I have to compost that horse manure. Should take about 6 months. Going to put a tarp over it, and every couple weeks I'm going to turn it over until it turns into black manure compost. Okay, that's down. Put the remote controls away. Goes in this little compartment. Shut the cover like that. I had this tarp over, now it's off. You don't want everything blowing. Everything's pretty much empty in here, so you got to remove your pin, shut your door. Okay, got to remove the pin. Oops, got to shut this door. Okay, got to secure it. Secure it like that, lock it in place. Put a pin through it. Trying to do it with one hand. Huh. Okay, wants to pop out on me. Put that through it. Lock it in place. That locks that. Now on this pin, you don't want to lose it, so you got to put the clip in it so you don't lose that pin. Same thing here. Got to take this. So I'm just going to put the pin in where it is over here. Okay, so right here is my horse manure pile. Smells really good. In about another month or two, it's not going to smell no more, and it's going to start decaying and turning into good, rich horse manure compost. Now, horse manure compost that has pine shavings in it and stuff like that from the stall is really, really good compost, because even the shavings turn into compost. So let me go ahead and latch this. Got to make sure everything is secure. Got the chain on. That's all latched. Everything's locked up over here. And take this chain, lock it into place like that. You could also pull this pin and dump it the other way, but I used it the way that you open it up. So all this looks good. Everything's locked into place, everything's secure. Okay, there you have it. I'm always on the lookout for some good organic compost and horse manure. You could get trailer loads and truckloads of it. Turn it into good black compost. My garden over there consists of 18 inches of solid composted manure, plus sheep manure, composted chips, and stuff like that. If you look online, you'll see the videos on how I made that. I'll do more videos on this, on how I cover it up and how I turn it over. And I also take all my chip pile like that, mounted over there, and I turn that into good composted chips. So anyway, it's sort of like an ongoing battle. I'm just glad I got the connections for chips and manures, and using the permaculture method over here. As you've seen in planting some of my fruit trees and banana trees, I used the Hugel culture method with logs, and then I also use manure in a 6x6 hole, 3 foot deep. And for the banana plants, I dig a ditch. You'll see how I do that later, because they're all in a row and they shoot up pups. So I try to get the area really fertile. So anyway, that does it. Ooh boy, okay, that was fun. I'm sweating to death. It is hot. It's in the 90s. But I got that load of horse manure. Just got done dumping it. Now I got to take it back to the horse ranch. So we'll touch base with you later. Okay, so here I am in the stables, and I needed to come pick up some horse manure. So here I am with my horse manure maker, right here. This is my compost maker over here. Yeah, I'm using some of your manure in my garden. How are you doing, huh? Gotta love it. Well, right now it's pouring rain outside. I just decided to do a little video with my compost producer over here. And would you look at that rain? I'm stuck in the stable. It is coming down so hard that if I walk out there, I'll just wash away. So the next best thing for me to do is just visit with the horses and have some fun. The horses came in, they're in their stables. It's a little dark to a little dark to say hi to them in there, but this one here came out to say hi. So it's a little easier for me to greet this one over here, right? How you doing in there? It's raining hard out, huh? Yeah. Oh. How does your garden grow? Well, with the help of my manure makers. Isn't this beautiful? Look at this arena. Beautiful, beautiful place to have your horse. If anybody's looking to board any horses over here in New Smyrna, let me know. I'll turn you on to this place. It's really first class, I'll tell you that. But man, that rain is just coming down. You could probably hear it. You ever see an arena that has a mirror? Check this out. Look at this. Wall-to-wall mirror in an arena. That's pretty cool. So you could see yourself as you're riding around and see your form. I think that's like fantastic. I haven't seen that one before. Okay, so just brought the trailer back. Took a look at the horses. Stayed in the stable for a little bit because it's pouring out. Finally went ahead and had a little break in the rain. Started drizzling, got in the truck, and I'm driving back home. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed and appreciate what one does to get their compost and garden. And the composting just begun, because that's going to take 6 months or longer to a year to get it the way I want it. So anyways, y'all have a good day.